We'll make a second slime, Ma. Can you put this in a bag or whatever? Ma, here you go. Can you put it in the bag?
I'm not making a second slime yet. What kind of slime should I make second slime? Just a fluffy? No, I don't want to make cloud.
Oh, you don't?
No. My cloud slimes always turn out horrible. Speaking of cloud slimes, I brought our fail cloud slime, and I brought a bunch of my fail slimes, and we're going to mix those in. Can we do it at the end of this video?
Yeah.
Or should we make it separate?
It's 27 minutes.
27 minutes? Well, right now it is, but if you even let me help you edit, it should be
Put it back,
better.
please.
I got one. Hang on.
Okay, so I'm adding my glue. I'm adding my shading foam second. You want good color.
Yeah, because you want, yeah. Don't even think about using red, though. Unless you use the actual food coloring, because I killed it. Go back to the beginning of this video and
See how she killed it.
not like the beginning, but
Like, guys, just
5,
figure out
6,
where.
7 minutes. 7 minutes in probably. Do you think so? Like maybe
Nah,
7?
nah.
No? How long?
About 15.
15? It wasn't 15. Comment if it was 15. I don't think it was 15. I don't think it was even close to 15. It was like 7 or 10 or whatever. Whatever, like something like that. Yeah, it makes
She
us fast.
got too deep and she left me.
I don't think this is.
It does. You need to add a lot more though.
I have to add a lot more? I don't want to use all your
No.
cornstarch.
It's fine. It's fine.
I'm not sure. Well, you're saying it's fine, but I don't know about your mom.
That's okay.
It's mine.
Sure?
Anyways.
Yeah. There's a lot still.
Oh.
What are you doing, silly?
Cornstarch is edible, so it wouldn't be bad if I inhaled this.
Yeah, but it can't be when you like eat it normal.
It would be disgusting. I actually want to taste it.
Hey.
I'm gonna eat this slime. Don't eat slime. What did you just do? It tastes gross.
Honestly, not that bad though.
Really? Let me taste it. Here.
Not bad.
I'll taste something over here. Where you, like, so the slime didn't touch it.
Is it bad? I didn't taste it.
Ew, guys.
Are we gross? Comment if we're gross. I don't think we're gross. That gross. But you guys would know because you're watching the videos.
Yeah. Honestly, your opinion, but
Me too.
we're not gross.
Oh, so we thought.
Sometimes I can be a little sassy on YouTube.
Sassy.
I could be like, call me gross and you'll eat wet. I'd be like that. But I won't do that to
You're
you guys.
hilarious.
Because you guys are my fans. I would do that on other people's YouTube channels, but not hers. Yay.
Oh, my YouTube channel, I didn't post any videos yet, but by the time you watch this and see this, I probably did, but...
My arm hurts so bad from mixing.
Then stop mixing.
I
Okay,
can't.
this is not butter slime yet. It's good, but I need more butter in this slimer. I wish
Okay. So it's coming together now.
I don't know what work on both of you guys at the same time. Sophia, look up. Oh, wait, there we go. I have a good filter. Hang on. Go ahead. Look at me.
Snapchat? Snapchat, I'm guessing.
Yeah. That's so cute.
30 minutes.
30 minutes? I haven't even made my second slime yet. It should be shorter though. It should be when we
But you guys won't see it be 30 minutes because
it should be less. Okay, we still have more filming to do, so it might actually be 30 minutes. But the longer it is, the longer it takes to upload. So hopefully it doesn't take that long. Okay, this is really loose. I need more cornstarch.
look, there's all cornstarch right here.
I know, that's what I was going to get. I wasn't going to pour more.
I'm making butter.
I'm not going to make a cloud. I don't like cloud.
Why?
I don't love cloud. I like cloud. I don't love it.
Okay, so when you make so when you go to make cloud slime with the good stuff,
Nice.
Such a rat.
I'm starting to
That thing
knead.
is so funny.
So I'm starting to knead with my bare hands.
Hey, while I'm here, can we make a tie-dye shirt for me? Maybe,
It takes
hopefully.
overnight though.
Yeah, I have to see if I have any blank white shirts.
Yeah.
But if I find it, then yes, definitely.
I have a million weight shirts.
We have to clean this up completely because it has to be like super clean.
Yeah. This is so little.
Oh, that is tiny. You're already activated? I'm not even finished with this yet.
Oh, then move on. We could do it at the end of the video.
Okay. Okay, where do I put
Let's
this?
go. Just move on.
You know what? I'm going to more cornstarch, then I'm moving on.
Ah!
Stop it. I scared her like 7 times before the
So
video.
I got you back.
Okay, it keeps beeping, thankfully. Then we wouldn't have to beep out everything we're saying. Because I don't know how to do that yet, so I have to,
It's like if anyone swears, it go beep beep.
yeah.
Like beep out my words. It go
We won't swear, but I can't say anything about the TV behind us.
Yeah.
Can speak for us, but not the TV.
Go. This is turning into butter.
It is? Really? I can't tell.
Oh,
I only own one butter. Actually, I don't own one butter slime.
Now, could you open this?
I don't own any butter slimes, but I know what a butter slime feels like.
Yeah, because I let you focus.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have any fail slimes here, Sophie?
And here goes.
Who wanted this, you?
Yeah.
Ooh, what color are you trying to make that? Were you just trying to make a white slime? Or is that supposed to be like purple? Or what color are you trying to make that?
Oh my god.
What?
Holy glitter, Batman.
Yeah, I'll say.
Pink.
You're trying to make that pink?
Yeah.
Oh, fail.
Okay, now let me
It's
add
like
my cornstarch.
purple.
Where's my cornstarch?
Cornstarch?
Sitting up there.
Guys.
My phone is covered in cornstarch. Please don't get any water on it. It's not waterproof.
whatever.
It's not waterproof, plus it's cracked.
Neither is mine. Nothing in mine is waterproof. They basically add a lot
I
of
will
time. You add a lot.
Here. Once you're done
Oh, you all. We have
mixing technical difficulties.
let's use.
Sophie,
Yeah.
once you're done mixing yours and you're satisfied with yours, can you mix mine?
Yeah.
Yay, and just add as much
my
cornstarch as it
tooth.
needs. Yeah. Is it ready to come out?
Yeah.
Go rip it out, girl. Go rip it out.
So behind the scene, before we made this, my tooth was bleeding.
Thank you.
As I already said, but it hurts now still.
It hurts again.
What in the world?
It's supposed to
It's
be.
called butter slime.
It's supposed to be called butter slime.
Well, it is.
Cornstarch doesn't work that much.
Yes, it does. You need to add a lot, though.
Just be careful, Steve. Look, on the keyboard you got all cornstarch.
Oh dear.
Oh, my black pants.
I got cornstarch on my puppy pants and I'm sad.
Get
But
this out of my camera, please.
Thank you. With the pleases. I wish Sophia would please.
I have pleased a lot, but forgot to.
forgot to every time you say something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's
Oh,
the
my
glue?
teacher lit. It's like,
Sophia, please be careful with that. Okay, how about I put it? Watch, I got an idea. Let go. Where's that?
I'm making my second slime.
oh my god, this is gonna be up to 40 minutes.
It's going to be. It's going to be over 40 minutes, girl. You know it.
Really?
Yeah, you know that.
My iPad storage is probably gonna stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might need to stop it now.
Really?
Fine.
Okay, I'll
Somewhere
make.
you put like
Make a
app
wet
that
cloth.
will hold videos. Like,
Yeah, it is.
There is, but I don't think she has it.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone so we can go faster.
wait, see, look. There's just. Okay.
That works too.
What are you making pizza dough?
Called butter slime. Ma, show them. No. So guys, like my mess is on the table.
Here, wait. Can I have a thing to stir with, please?
This is
Yes.
it's starting to be butter.
Where did they all go?
I'm gonna need to.
Sophie,
I'm gonna need to change my pants.
come on.
Girl,
I might need to change
I don't have to change anything.
my pants.
Here, I'll go wash off if you could.
Thank
Here,
you.
where's the one that you did have, Joel? Did you have one?
Oh, my arms.
No?
I don't know where it went. I had it, but I don't remember it.
So, here's 6.
I need more activator. Thank you. Now, can you add more stuff in that container?
So, I think you're going a little too crazy.
With the cornstarch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I want butter.
I know, but you look at the table now.
Yeah, you gotta
You
clean
kind
it.
of wrecked it.
We'll use the slime after to clean it up. Slime actually works for cleaning a lot of stuff up. It's weird. It's weird. Slime makes the mess, but yet it helps clean up the mess.
Oh!
Like what?
My arm.
Her arm hurts. She was
Getting
mixing.
cranky.
I think I added too much shave cream.
So I'm working with little piece by little.
Little by little.
So I'm putting this little piece right here, and I'm adding a lot of.
Oh, do you think mine's under activated? That's why it's so runny?
Yeah, kind of.
Can I please have that glue butter there?
This one here? This one here?
Yeah. Yeah, I added way too much shaving cream, so I need more glue.
I have one slime. It looks like the same exact color.
Thank
Same
you.
exact color.
No, I wanted to make a white slime, but the bowl has red in
40
it.
minutes. Wow.
No. I brought a white slime with me. Well,
48 minutes. 49.
30. I thought you said 40. Did you say 40?
39 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little buddy. We need him too. This little buddy is good. So now I'll need these two together.
Whoa.
Okay, so now I'm gonna
Okay.
add the cornstarch to these two little buddies. Need them.
Next, what do I need next? Oh, I'm not gonna add food coloring.
My pants are.
So,
Look at my pants.
would you mind?
Look at my pants.
Girl!
Too bad.
Would you mind if I use these, Sophie?
No, I do not mind, but not all of them.
I won't. I'll use as much as I want. I'm kidding.
What?
I'm kidding.
Oh, they go.
Here, I'll leave you one sparkle and that's it. Hey, you said not all of them.
Use at least a few pebbles.
This one is pretty too, guys. That's like iridescent.
Pretty.
Okay, so this is turning butter.
Let me see. And a blue would look
Let's
nice
see.
with this.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Here.
I mean, it
Can you
can
open this one
be
for me?
matte. It can't be matte, probably, but
Matte.
40 minutes.
Thank you.
Easy, Toots.
Oh, girl, you're getting it everywhere.
Guys, you should see the mess. You should see my pants again.
Girl, stop adding
Look at
cornstarch.
my pants again. Yeah.
What's up with you?
I know.
Look
it's
at
not
her, look at her.
happening.
Look at my mom. Look at my mom.
You have cornstarch on yourself.
Easy.
I quit.
Okay.
There's my mom and dad there.
You can't quit because you're fired.
Oh, yeah, baby.
It's like that.
Yep. Okay. Okay, can you give me the activator?
Oh! I'm not saying up to you. I'm saying up to this slime.
Can I have the activator, please?
Of course you can.
She made a mess. Too much.
Oh!
Sophia, take it down to like a 5.
Yes.
Level 5 in my school is screaming.
You're not in school.
Yeah, well. voice level 5 is only emergency.